Hey guys, so welcome to Help Screen, and today I'm going to show you how to play mobile games on PC and laptop. So first thing that you will do is simply go to play.google.com, and this will be an official site of the Google Play Store. And from here, this is where you know that this one is safe because this is the official one. So from here, you should be able to see multiple games that are available on the PC. And from here, just simply select a game that you prefer. So let's say I'm going to download this game over here, the Ants Underground Kingdom. And from here, just simply select install on Windows. And from here, guys, just simply select a location of the download file and select save. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and select the folder icon over here on the top right. And from here, just simply double click this one. Now guys, from here, just simply select a location of the Google Play games. So just simply select install over here, and a pop-up window will show up, and just simply select yes, and it will be downloaded into your PC. Once it is done downloading, it will be automatically installing. Now guys, from here, you will have the Google Play Games beta app, and just simply sign in with a Google account over here. Now, once you are signed in, just simply go back to the Google Play Games beta, and you will have your profile over here, and just simply go ahead and create your profile and accept the terms and condition and the privacy conditions as well, and select a finish. Now, once it is done, it will prompt you to download the game, and just simply select install over here, and a pop-up window will show up, and just simply select yes and select next over here, and select the location file of the game and select next, and just simply wait for it to be installed and select next over here. And now you could run the game right away and create a desktop shortcut over here, and just simply select finish once everything is done. Now guys, you could also go for the Google Play Games beta over here, and you could go to the library, and you will have here the list of your games. And if you go to the home, you should be able to see here other games as well that are available for a PC. And you could also use the search bar over here, or the search icon, and from here you could download games over here that you can play into your PC. Now guys, just simply play the game over here, and you should be able to open it up, and you should be able to play the game. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.